Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a topic which is related to work done by a wearing force. Clear? Before starting the video, we will discuss what is the work done. Work done is said to be done if force acting on a body and able to actually move it through the some distance along the direction of the force. Means force acting on a body and body is able to displace from one point to another along the direction of force. It is called a work done. Clear? Here we are going to discuss about the wearing force. First of all, I will want to discuss what is the basic need. Need is the most of the practical problems or situations are the wearing force based. There are very limited problems which are based upon the constant force, but most of the problems are on the wearing force. Reason: you are driving a car and riding a bike, they are not under a constant force. They are not moving with a constant force. Every second of time, there will be a change in acceleration. So means force is continuously varying. So how to measure a work done? It is quite difficult. It is quite difficult to calculate a work done for a varying force. But how to do? We need a system. Clear? So that's why we are discussing this kind of the things for today's lecture. To discuss that thing, I have draw a one diagram in which we have any wooden block. Clear? And we have applied a force F along this direction. Clear? And we want to measure a complete work done from A to B. How to measure? Assume it is very difficult to measure a work done for a varying force. I have already said. So what to do? We consider from a longer distance, we assume a small portion. Means body has been displaced from this point to this point with a very small distance or displacement. Means body is displaced from point P to point Q with a small displacement which is called as a ds. If body is displaced with this very small displacement, that means at the time force may be constant. Reason: we are talking about a very short distance. For a short distance, the force may be constant. At the time, work done at a time is also be very small, and that might be written in the form of dW is equals to F dot ds. Small work done corresponding to small displacement. Clear? If it is small work done, then what will be the total work done? Then total work done depends upon the limits. Limit from a lower limit to the upper limit. Assume the displacement of A is S1 and displacement of B is S2 in reference to O. Then this small work done will be written as W equals to S1 to S2 lower limit to upper limit integral dot F dot ds. That is called as a work done by a varying force. Clear? So that is the entire concept behind the work done by a force. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit on the subscribe button and one like please. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.